Morning, Clive. So tell me, how did you get into franchising?
Well, I've been building for 30 years. I'm getting a bit fed up with it, looking for a new change. Franchising seemed a good option to start a new business and get up and running quickly. So I googled franchises and oven cleaning appealed to me. So I did that.
And what made you choose Oven Wizards in particular?
Well, I investigated several companies, spoke to employees and franchisees, and Oven Wizards came out by far the best.
And what training did you receive from Oven Wizards?
I received 2 weeks full training on the job. The first week thrown in at the deep end, cleaning ovens right from the start. The second week doing the same thing but with a franchisee, learning a bit more about the business side of things as well.
Great. And what kind of ongoing support do you get?
Oh, we get lots of ongoing support. Phone calls weekly from Mark and John, meetings, they're always there, emails, you name it, you just ask for it and it's there.
And what are the main advantages and what are you enjoying most?
Well, the main advantages are being self-employed, which I have been before, but it offers a lot of flexibility and I can pick and choose when I work. The advantages brilliantly, I love meeting people. I can chat all day, and so do most of my customers, and meet some lovely people.
And so can you describe your typical day for me?
Yeah, typical day, up at 7, make sure the van's okay, the tank on if need be, out to work, 2 calls in the morning, usually 1 in the afternoon, and home about 5 o'clock.
So give us an idea of the number of ovens that you're cleaning now.
Now I'm doing 3 a day most days, occasionally 4, probably 14, 15 a week.
Great. And how do you see the future going?
I can see it growing. I'm already getting more inquiries than I can handle at the moment, and probably in the future I'll be looking to expand the business, probably put another van on the road.
Great, thanks very much, Clive.